your local Weather Authority forecast.
It's a muggy morning for the first day of June. Earlier this morning, we saw more clouds, more sunshine right now. Thanks to our Roof by Nicola Sky Tracker, we see these low-level clouds indicating a lot of humidity in the atmosphere, which may eventually lead to severe weather later today. No rain right now, rain-free conditions for this morning, but again, we're seeing a lot of those whites on the satellite and radar indicating a lot of clouds. It's all courtesy to two low-pressure systems off to our north, one to our north and east, west, and one off to our north and east. We see this yellow line, this dry line, anywhere east of that dry line, we're seeing a lot of clouds and a lot of humidity. We're already seeing storms form in the Panhandle, moving off to the north and east for now, but we could be seeing again storms later today. We see the circle in those winds indicating that low pressure system. As it treks farther to the east, we're going to be seeing again storms forming later today. Very warm out in front of that cold front. 94 degrees this afternoon. Low temperature 65 degrees. The main threats with these storms will be large hail, strong winds, flash flooding, an isolated tornado or two. Not out of the question. The Storm Prediction Center has issued now a slight risk of severe weather in these yellow-colored counties, including Ector and Midland County. Now, what does this mean? This means that a few storms may become severe when they form later this afternoon. And I do think those storms will pop up around 2, 3 o'clock. West of our viewing area. Moving off into the east, those yellows, oranges, and reds, and even some darker reds, especially in the northern basin, indicates the stronger storms, even some heavy rainfall in the Trans-Pecos and Brewster County. Moving off into the east and by really past midnight, mostly clear skies across our viewing area, an exception of Odessa, Midland. Some lingering storms I do think will end for the first half of the overnight, but later in the overnight, cooler and drier, low temperature 59 degrees, those winds from the northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. So let's hop on that temperature roller coaster, shall we? Again, it started off pretty mild this morning, low to mid 80s right now, and as we head throughout the afternoon, 90s in triple digits. But we start to see those yellows and oranges in the heart of the basin spreading out later this afternoon. Rain cooled air from those storms, and then here comes the cold front. Look at this. 50s and 60s in the northern basin, 70s and 80s in the heart of the basin, cooling down tonight primarily in the 50s and 60s for most places. So noticeably chillier tomorrow morning at 60 degrees with breezy and humid conditions, mostly cloudy skies in the Midland and Odessa area, struggling to reach the mid to upper 60s by noon tomorrow. But I do think it will be rain-free tomorrow in Midland and Odessa, 78 degrees around 4 p.m. and still pretty mild as we head tomorrow evening, partly to mostly cloudy and windy at times. So again, near normal temperatures this afternoon, average high 93, 94 today, cooling off though tomorrow at 80 degrees. A slight chance of storms, but I do think it'll be mostly rain-free. Another chance of storms on Friday, but hot, dry, and sunnier as we head into the weekend.